I was standing here, exactly here, and the pressure of the blast pushed me away like 3 meters. I can't forget that nightmare. I saw people yelling, screaming, bleeding. I remembered my days in the ER when I used to work in the ER in the hospital, wearing the white lab coat. I was telling myself, now you are wearing a white dress and there's people injured here, you have to help them. I was praying to have a second before I die just to see my parents, hold their hands and tell them goodbye. Sorry, I don't want to go emotional, but I can't.
I saw the white smoke, the white big smoke, so I ran out directly here and I stand here and started to film like I usually do. Then I saw like a wave, a big wave that coming and everything is smashing. We have a lot of injuries. The brains, the heads, everyone was inside had an injury, small or big, but nothing danger. This is God maybe saved us. I'm a little bit, I believe in God, so He's my savior. At the beginning, I was thinking that only I want to talk to my mom, to my family, tell them that I'm okay. I was afraid for the people that were like, they needed help. They needed my help. I have to take someone to the hospital to help someone. And then we went to the hospital, and the hospital was like another story.
Everything was very regularly going smoothly. Even the doctors were very happy with my wife. George's head and his hair started to show. So it was time for delivery. We heard a very high noise. As soon as I felt the explosion, I was pushed back. We did not know what happened. The windows came off. They hit the doctors, the nurses, my wife. We thought we were going to die. We did not expect to walk out from here. Everything was on the floor. It was chaos. You can see even the medicine that they had. It's all over the floor. Even the doctor's blood is on the floor. And I ran back to my wife's bed to save her. I pulled my wife out here. We pulled her all out here. They told each other that this is the delivery table. No, there was nothing. They had nothing. They didn't have any oxygen, no medicine, no electricity. There was no electricity. This whole hall was totally destroyed. It was totally destroyed. You cannot see any floor. All the ceiling was on the ground, and there was people running in through this door and asking about their wives and their babies.
if I'm going to be sad when I remember this day because of the damage that happened to my country, or I'll be happy and thank God because I'm still alive. I always had hope, and I still have the hope in my country. Lebanon and Beirut is my country after all. So I will come to visit, but I don't think I can live in Lebanon. We should unite because Beirut needs us now. Lebanon needs us. So we have to be like one person, hand in hand, to rebuild Beirut. Together we can do anything and everything.
There is no government. The system, if we had the system, we didn't have the explosion. So there is no system. No one is helping us. This is the hardest part maybe Lebanon is facing now. In my opinion, we're not gonna respond to this. I lost hope because of this place. There is nothing, like we lost everything. We lost our work, some people lost their work, some people lost their families, some people lost their home, their accommodations, so we cannot. So it's hard, it's not impossible, nothing is impossible, but it's hard.
My son is perfect, he's finally at home, in a safe place, and my wife is safe. Thank God they are safe. We just wanted to get out and live our life. That was our short-term goal. After watching television, it's not like living it. TV is not like, or the media or social media is not like being inside it. It is a total catastrophe. Houses are gone, people are dead. Something you cannot explain. It's unexplainable. So we'd rather forget about it. I'd rather think, focus on our future and my son's future.
Do you think the Lebanese can rise again?
Yes. Beirut will rise again. Yes, I'm sure.